Alright, what's up, guys? I go by name Boateng. I'm a blogger and a social media influencer, legendary blogger. My name is Nancy, and I be new salon bio, Bantama, Unity Oil, and then that's a Unity Oil, Sewa Beauty Palon. Maybe see the latest nana in Ghana, and I'm actually Kwame Apia. And I can't get salon to the idea. I can't find a way. And nobody didn't come over here and I brought money. Akunya dia mani nyina ne beka ho asem kakra ewia na ya ba sewa beautiful so ye didi e ho ko mebrinti ye twa ye ho ba ye ba de ho bia no ye de bebro. Alright, people as say we nya ebre edema samre metaka nana kechi kwame afia nana we dey what na say
mejo sobinia
but you be able to dey
adomni ahwe ye guso erade guso sha atamko na ebre
na nana we dey ya tete na say ya bo ohene ewo ya na me refu ko
kokofu asama
ye kokofu asama
me ye benkum hene ewo bosontwe asama tete no na manfo frɛ kokofu asama ba ene no because of say ono na ye bosontwe wura
okay
ono nasa ase so na bosontwe na da nasa ase asante ase nyina akowie opem so ye nyina ade nyina otumfo say 12 view it no it's like ohwesoma otumfo say 2 because that sentiment no no mom ena ye bosontwe wura ono ena kokoji bosontwe leg bosontwe nsuo no ni bemfu ni neme ena wo konsuo na no wonso akroba akọ e fa wo de tie so because of so ye man hininti na me ye ni benkum ti no me enso na me di ade wo de tie so ti me ne de tie so hene
okay na number jo okay but akonya di ni e dia
nana ade mu odro trimude Kechi Kwame Apia the first.
Okay. Nana adi emu odru.
Yes, how we say.
Okay. Nana adi emu odru. Trimude.
Kechi Kwame Apia the first.
Okay. Okay. Nana, empempi de hu say sisi alfa say enyum to no hedam fa nye adwuma bibi wo ana say wo na say wo hedam machine ni mu bi.
Oh. Enyuma no de bebre ho ba enyum to no aminka secret in chro which we Ghanaians no sometimes we don't want to accept enyema bi aye kohwe
okay
se nana Kwame Ampadu urade mfa ne kransie ene obo ba dofo pa abobo urade mfa ne kransie ko bi samenom ebe ye bi koi na se eba be si Lidiodu ani George Dako nana da akonse oye man hene na eba be si nkrofo bi so be si chasamwa lumba no so e de ba ohene ba kisi no so na ba ye nso a eyemre edin no woji awaje
sure
nobody can take it out from you but the point is you have to know how to manage your name said e ba ya wudin wo enti no look at currently anima what system no is different from here there no I'm not saying say yeah nice okay. But the point is yamre no ye bedi empanimfo no obi abedi ni mre yamfie du yeso ye bedi da sibire jamana no forian ponsa no they say do shatawale ni sa akode ni Kwame Eugene so this is their season
sure
it's like okay. A cocoa season
sure
when your time comes that's the one taking care of it and with the valuable of who time no abanwa na se kwa
that's all
bra apostle cry
na o kan se mi no kan se eyemre but also ye hwe monyo mara some kind of music na mo ye na till date ye ka se e bia na ka echi kura ba ha people are willing say omo be ba but the many wo kind of artist bi wo ha omo ye nyum de but of encheno o ma
3 months na ko that is the relevant of the music and the product I would buy you know and I would buy no and ebemma yahu wo know how relevant you are.
Okay.
Enti no obi betimi abagidi nkukukuku na akọ it's
once.
true.
Sure.
But unya jidi na waje.
Okay.
Ana nwom bia so ne etire bia ne ho che. Etire bia ne ho ayie. Maybe a che be fit me am fit. Ayie be fit me no ntina wo twa down no. Nso kakra aguso. That is how it is. And you know, we should know say the American nyane say edi no ba na wa bo ho bai say system no any youth na ewo mu no minka say yemma no your offer for no they are doing what they want.
Okay.
Maybe make ko gina ho the omati that and me too they will accept it but sure. Me yefo from there they said manye the current one no on Benjamin Atuma forget it.
Okay.
Yeah me ya enkosi wu. But I'm not meaning say it doesn't mean say a beer mekwa to be and I say you mean conquer to whatever no the TN say metima your music but I have my own class and I mean as a class of people be almost they are there waiting for me. Sure. Whenever I'm ready no they are also ready
to accept your music.
To accept my music.
Okay.
Say yeah let's take it that way.
Okay.
But trust me the omo ya no so na bad.
Okay.
System no there everywhere no.
Okay. But now hear the kind of music every within the system now. Ghana music no different future.
So far as emu ye gina system no any your man ya wo wo ne your offer as for no more system no ko no. Sa na ye dey ko. Ni o funky e wa America. Ebe dane R&B. Okay. Ebe dane crank. Aku ayanchiche mu bebre. You see, enti no future dey obi o make say Ghanaian music ni future no boa. But say your high life as some na wo kan eno kura no still have a future. Okay. Because I'm on for to high life. Sure. Go for gusoto but ye nyini ko ne ye man e ba no mo so sisa no na e ko different trend. Enti no eye sa na be ko akwa te se wa abe na wo so ne so wo so ni wi abe sa so ne so ti mo na wo so ne so no either you get a good thing or a bad thing so wo pese emu ye dura wo so ne first one wo so ne bi wo pese mu ye lighter wo be continuous wo be so ne so until you get what you want in design music na ebo
na musicians and as artists mo influence wo youth so
w Obia want a will.
Okay.
Willing is for everybody. Who wish no will no. I cannot take it out from you. I can't change it. Okay. Because I will do this. Oh, when you now I will do it. Let me catch just Charlie, don't do it. At the end of the day, me free or crown, you will do it. Okay. I will wish. Okay. But I don't say you're not in Pimpino. It's because maybe Nana my favorite artist inti Nana Shatari we and that's Nana idea we menya come yebi. I know the but as a musician be catch young artists be say menye we no I need you cannot. But more influence or more fans and I say fan base. I know nyina obi a influence on the fans. Enu ntina I say omo ya say he for agi atum ne friend say
Street Boys.
Oh no omo advert bia yes FDA for agi atum FDA for nyin to mu say ka kire nkoye e bia alcohol e ho advert because maybe me fans no
will follow the
advert say ono so nko no alcohol e bia me to me num bi da ba maybe wo de mamia the way I messy dey ade bia ya bom anum to no obi a wo follow me be kwa akonom say ya ne papa me dey reference keke example keke eti no influence ne dey ye wo pa wo o mane no abonten ade ye mai bi ba ya no mo hyenta ade entie obehu girls ye bi no mbobo muti the way hairstyle no bebre no asuan
okay nti nana e future be na ma current artists ne upcoming artists about omo dressing and lifestyle because they don't more influence e wo youth ni so no
nyina efe
sa
eno ani sa wo hu ho
okay
ni nyina efe
okay
ade a obi aduane a wo ototo en be hye no wo di si jaso e sa
wetin say
ade a obi pe no untimi nka se me master o se ko fit onyum bi se enya ne a wo pe na me pe ni a open na me pa ankenye ni it could be so we kotokoni and has ni e betu abasa me aduana stars you can't force me to join kotoko and has obi NDC obi MPP uchaniti e koto plate so kra de koma they open and open. You cannot change the person. Say by force they are open or open. But the point is say ya omunsusuma na too hot. They are not force open no. Especially artists you know say I don't know ya man for bedo no. You know say I don't know ya na man for bedo no. It's cool. But too hot na nye. You see ya wo ade nyina kwanya nyina na fata e. Ni nyina na fata e no means ebeye too much of everything is bad. Let me put it that way.
Sure. And I MP no ya na ya hwe mo mpanyimfo a mabedi mo mra hwem no. That time ye bo concert ni show a dem di to so na big and I say something different. But e be drum mra bi na fa say mo age e be catch mo na mo ntimi ne sa ya na sabi ya setina munye. Enye me mfa wo.
In general.
Yeah, nti wo be hwe no ya say oh Satan kra na ye bo concert na omuntu ya ka kese. Satan ma ye bo e na sani ni ho.
Me ntwa wasem. Unya peswa. When you get a peswa and you want to invest it for your better future, it depends on you.
Okay.
Obia future lies in his own hands. 94, 95, 96, kosi 98, you know. Shop bi wa Accra na me person me boni dey. Me ko hosa me kwa koto ade. A lot of people rushed. Ain't you know, a bass I know who say me an ade am to e bia e de me. You know what? Papa no ka kire me say, e da we ni da we me pesa wo ba ha. And time bia me wura ho bia na manfo rush. Omu ko to ade e to nyama sa. Go me na musa de me to ade na obi e to. Timi ya na me ko kwasha so a wo be ba na manfo atua kana gate wa ye ma. I can say 100% I can say it, say I don't know right now what is going on, but I am the only artist me mehu ebi be witness say na ye de ka entuma se form me de me ka fa so wherever I go.
Wow.
Ya be dia mre pen enu nti na me kan say ade bi ayeye bia eye mre ewurade mfa mo nkosi awie ye no etino ba bi a wo be duro no kakra wo be nya no you use it for your betterment future. That's it.
Okay. Now time you are regret is your music.
Me. Can you make rap
okay.
I've never ever regretted say being a musician. Yeah. Eka wom but energy wom. Okay. In the morning when you come to my house, now baby sebe. A lot of people that me fear the summer heart as waiting for me. Sabi nipa na ma maybe that day the daily bread will be a problem.
Sure.
And I thank God say nipa bebrebe wo wi asi. Na se bi no ntimi ba me wa. Hey, hallelujah in four corners.
Wow.
And I'm always proud of myself and I thank God to say we have about 5 to 10,000 celebrities in Ghana. I'm one of them.
Sure.
I'm proud of it.
Sure.
We are celebrity. Ewo Ghana ha. We are Radiani. Our de waba asasi so say. Amanfo bi hwe no munsuan. Say the Paul kan say monhwe me na munsuan me mo pese mu di train echi. So whatever you do, the o kan na me ka be so say enti amanfo bi hwe your influence. Whatever you do, people are watching you. People are following your footsteps. So if we yes have been kwasi ade a when the judgment day comes, everybody babies are like, hey, now what Jimmy's are.
We don't have a PMO, Sewa Beauty Palon.
Sewa Beauty Palon. Sewa Eminuaba or Yeres and American because Madi na Big J.
Big J, yeah.
The bro of India because you have the wife. The way I say what in and Nimono and Big J, dear. I be ye and my chepra.
Okay.
Acha way back. Okay. Ain't you know say ne yere e be ni salon e say me so all the way from Accra no. Ya him for from Abagana. I think say me so I here obi enyan so I ain't you know. I am the latest on anything you from me nana ade mu oduro ya you say ade mu oduro trimude ke chire kwa me afia ade mu oduro trimude ke chire kwa
but I did interview baby asama ehia na pese otu ye nyina ayefo ne se okoba bia obia prewase mo nkra mpanyimfo secret na say key bi wo ha amasa de na aye abeti samre.
The key is Bible say do young self.
Okay.
I love everybody. Obia or cross me way biano either good or bad over time you bear me there you until now be some say to say me say radical social matam for nebre because I love each and everyone. No matter they are the me I careless because sadia china mitimi sorry na me home from my papa na urade boa na minya ene aduane am papa ni kwenkwen mako wi mi kwenkwen e wo bantamai mako tra culture center wi mi kwenkwen ba joma munchi de dia kwenkwen you know we nipa you have to be flexible.
Sure.
You should be social obia obehunu bia no bra nipa nche wo wiase o yati we wo de we young wo de urade ma me 40 years and kan ho de na metimi de mai bitimi je hu metedam ni atete amadi me kura mete wa esu ni mezu owo me fa me nko mi wu a legacy band ade papa band me ye ja akira ebe ma amanfo participate ana ebe ka say hey papa we but dia me kan say wo yo ba na say wo pese wo ye wutiri nku ade a Kosewa beauty star palo aha ye bruta obayi ade a kiro de tia bio leg boson twe wu hia kwame apia ai nyame na na ade mu oduro mikrom ne de tia so e wo leg boson twe na no Ghana is ka for ha o mumma boa yenye ya kwan ni empa investors o mumma ya de papa e wo leg boson twe na no ni emfa nya nchiri mafo ne ye be wu akọ enti ya betena ho ya nya hwe na youth no ba omo asa bedidi mpanimfo atem minua yenye bibi papa susu bribi pa Fabua Ghana be yo senye yo if you many waro escafon no way na itimi ye Lagos mtwu ye why sanity
I found it for we dey ka ku ye de kwaku anu mene 24 of kuro nana ka chi kwame apia ana mene ni twi nkomo no Mr. Osaka video so no wa share ama onua wa ejima he live so here ahwebi na me ka mo say the DOP a we dey che swagat senior blogger in America. I can show. And I want a DOP and my I don't know fine. I made him come to me. I had a Jumani Macron. Bye bye.